Hey there, Lynn Downey. Just going to show some basic knife skills. Just some lettuce here. You always want to make sure your hands are knuckles for next to the blade, so just a nice gentle slice. I love salads when they're really thinly sliced. You just get that excellent kind of crunch there. It's just a basic cut. If you want to do some fan cutting, you place your hand on top of the blade, perpendicular to it, and just sort of use a fan motion. So you're just going to be going nice and slow. This is good for herbs. You can go fast. Good for garlic, things you want to have really nicely minced. I'll use some cilantro in this. Just some basic knife skills. You can do it kind of a little faster maybe. Or slice down the middle. With meats and things, you might want to get fancy. If this was a piece of steak, you might want to cut it nice and slowly down the side, creating kind of nice little slices. So, bonus, I made a strata today with eggs and vegan cheese and some bread, and then some really beautiful honey mustard and gochujang roasted chicken. So, thanks for visiting my kitchen.